When your Haier portable air conditioner won't turn on, start with these essential power checks. We'll go through 5 critical steps to identify and resolve common power issues. Step 1. Ensure your air conditioner is properly plugged into a functioning, grounded 3-prong outlet. A loose connection is often the culprit when units fail to power on. Step 2. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's supplying power. This simple check eliminates the outlet as a potential problem source. Step 3. Many Haier models have a power cord with a built-in ground fault interrupter. Unplug the unit, press the reset button on the power plug, then plug it back in. Step 4. Check your home's circuit breaker or fuse box. A tripped breaker or blown fuse can cut power to the unit. Reset any tripped breakers and avoid overloading the circuit. Step 5. Examine the power cord for any visible damage, such as cuts, fraying, or exposed wires. A damaged cord cannot be repaired and must be replaced by contacting Haier customer service. These 5 initial power checks resolve most common startup issues with Haier portable air conditioners. If your unit still won't turn on after completing these steps, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting. If power supply checks didn't resolve the issue, the next step is examining your air conditioner's control panel and settings. Several configuration problems can prevent the unit from operating properly. Remote control problems are common troubleshooting issues. If your unit isn't responding to the remote, check the batteries first and ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the air conditioner's sensor. A full internal water tank is a common cause of automatic shutdown. When the water full indicator illuminates, the unit will stop operating to prevent overflow. You'll need to drain the tank manually. A dirty air filter restricts airflow and can cause the unit to overheat and shut down. Regular filter maintenance is essential for proper operation. Clean or replace the filter when it becomes clogged with dust and debris. Proper airflow clearance is critical for efficient operation. Maintain at least 20 inches of clearance around all sides of the unit. Blocked vents can cause overheating and automatic shutdown. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, try resetting the unit. Locate the reset button, usually found on the front or back panel, and hold it down for a few seconds until the display flashes or turns off. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the problem, it's time to contact Haier customer support or a qualified HVAC technician. Some issues require professional diagnosis and repair to ensure safe operation.